welcome to Santino's Mangia. Time to make some spicy Italian sausage. We're going to grind our meat first. We always use the back legs of the pork, the hind, and we're going to have 100 pounds today we're making. I like to use the big disc, which about a 1/4-inch hole, and for the first pass, and then the second pass I put the smaller one, but I like the bigger one for the first pass. So we're going to salt with a 1/2 cup of salt per 100 pounds, using the coarse salt. Any coarse salt will do. Lots of people like to use curing salt, and that I barely use that. I like to use the natural way. The next thing we're going to do is put in our black pepper. I normally would put probably around a 1/4 cup of black pepper in, but I like to always try it, and if it needs something more, then I'll always add more later on. But for now, we're going to put about a 1/4 cup, and I already know just from the way I place it how much I need. And if I feel that it needs even more, I'll add it after I mix it all up. I'll taste it, fry a little bit, and then keep adding any mixtures that I want more. The next thing I'm going to do is put some crushed peppers, crushed chili in. Again, to your own discretion of how spicy you really want it. In the old days, my mother, my father, my grandparents, and that, they didn't use cups and everything. They used from their mind, and that's what I'm doing, using from what I already for so many years know. Now I'm going to put some cayenne pepper in, just to give that little bit of a zing. If you really want it hot, then you'll throw in quite a bit. But for now, I'm just going to probably put about 2 tablespoons. Remember, experimenting is how you get to a better product. Next, I'm going to put some fennel, which we call finocchio. In Sicily, we use it in our sausage. And so I'm going to throw some in here. And about on 100 pounds, maybe a couple tablespoons. Next, I'm going to put in the paprika. Now on the paprika, I'll put probably about a 1/2 cup. Remember, it doesn't make it spicy. It just adds more flavor and gives that real nice color to it. The next thing I'm going to do is now prepare the meat for my pepper spread. You can use red peppers, not the spicy ones, which are the sweet ones that I usually barbecue, but I'm going to use a mixed vegetable spread that I also get, which tastes pretty good. And so I'll use 3 jars of it. And it also gives that nice orangey red color to it also, but it really flavors up the sausage. And that's it right there, the Gloria vegetable spread, which is a lot of pepper in it. Now you can buy the spicy one or the non-spicy. I like to use the sweet one. So then after that, you start mixing, and you should have it to a tacky feel. So once you're all done, it should be just like a tacky feel to it. And you're ready to go for the next step, to put it in the casing. Look at that. Beautiful color. And so now we start putting it into the casing. And I'll make mine about 3-foot lengths. And then I twist them into the sizes that I need. And I'll show you that in another video, how to do that. And then I will hang the ones that will be fresh for about a day, and then I'll vacuum pack those. And then the others that I'm going to have as the dried sausage, I'll let those sit for about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks in the garage. Pull them down, cut them into forms that I want. And usually I'll vacuum pack those for about 3 in each pack. And that's the video on how to make my spicy Italian sausage. If you've enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.